Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to use Adobe Firefly, a text-to-image AI tool. Before we proceed, allow me to introduce our channel to you. If you have an interest in staying updated on the latest AI tools and learning how to use them efficiently, this channel is a perfect fit for you. We offer easy-to-follow tutorials and strive to keep you informed. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Your support greatly assists us in producing more videos. Now, let us begin. Using Firefly is as simple as describing your vision or prompt in natural language. You can experiment with a variety of prompts to see what magical creations Firefly can conjure. Let us try one together. How about this fun prompt? Cyberpunk portrait of a cat playing ball. Let us click on and watch Firefly works its magic. Firefly generates a cyberpunk version of the prompt, taking your imagination to new heights. You can even add more details to your prompt, like under the tree in a dark, mysterious forest. This time, we have transformed our creation in a dark, mysterious forest. It is incredible how Firefly adapts to your descriptions. Once you are satisfied with your creation, you can easily download the image. Firefly also adds content credentials to let you know that this was AI generated. You can find more information about your image in the content credentials section. If you are curious about the details of your AI generated content, you can inspect the content credentials. It provides metadata about the image's origin and authenticity. You can even add your own credentials to ensure proper attribution. Firefly goes beyond just creating standalone images. You can also use it to make patterns. Let us try generating a gold and red flower pattern. Firefly quickly turns your idea into a repeating pattern. You can adjust the scale and other parameters to fine-tune your creation. When it comes to generating images of people or portraits, Firefly does a remarkable job. You can specify details like a highly detailed full-body image. The results are impressive and can be used for a wide range of creative projects. Firefly doesn't stop at images. It is also great for creative text effects. You can choose from various text effects, or you can even customize your own. In this example, we have created a shiny gold and red text with swirling patterns. The possibilities are endless. You can fine-tune text effects by adjusting parameters like outline strength. A lower value results in more creativity and variation in the text effects. This allows you to explore different styles and looks for your typography. Firefly offers various styles to choose from, allowing you to mix and match characters from different styles. You can create unique and eye-catching typography for your projects. It is a fantastic way to experiment and find the perfect style that matches your creative vision. Now that you have seen the incredible potential of Adobe Firefly, you might be wondering how to get access. You can request access by visiting Firefly's official website. Additionally, you can join the Firefly community on Discord to stay connected with other creators and enthusiasts. In conclusion, Adobe Firefly is a game-changing tool that transforms your creative ideas into stunning visuals and typography. Whether you are looking to generate images, patterns, or text effects, Firefly provides endless possibilities for your creative projects. We hope you found this tutorial helpful in understanding how to use Adobe Firefly. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with Firefly, please leave a comment. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials. Until next time.